Why the thermostat does not use outdoor temperature to control heat staging is because this model lacks an outdoor temperature sensor and the firmware to act on that data. This thermostat controls heat stages based on indoor demands and internal algorithms rather than outside conditions. A heat pump needs outdoor temperature input to safely lock out auxiliary heat, or to trigger stages based on ambient losses. To get temperature-based staging, you need a thermostat and system that accept an outdoor temperature sensor input and implement lockout logic that compares outdoor temperature to set thresholds. For installation, mount the sensor on a north or shaded exterior wall away from direct sun, exhausts, or reflective surfaces, and run the sensor wiring back to the control board or thermostat following polarity and conduit best practices. In programming, enable the outdoor sensor option and set the lockout thresholds conservatively. For example, allow auxiliary heat only below 30 degrees Fahrenheit and stage changes within a 5-degree Fahrenheit deadband to avoid rapid cycling. Commission the system by logging indoor and outdoor temperatures over several days and adjust thresholds to balance comfort and energy use. Common mistakes are assuming any thermostat will accept an outdoor sensor, which leads to wasted purchases. Check compatibility and supported inputs before buying. Another issue is mounting the sensor in direct sun or near vents, which gives false readings. Relocate to true shaded ambient exposure and retest. A third frequent problem is setting overly tight deadbands, which cause rapid equipment cycling. Widen the deadband slightly and use stage setpoint changes to smooth transitions. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where people share real experiences about system options and sensor installs. We help contractors find work by providing project leads and a place to engage with homeowners and peers.